The Art of Marble Polishing, Expert Techniques Unveiled. Welcome to The Art of Marble Polishing, where expert techniques unveil marble's timeless beauty. Whether we're restoring a historic piece or polishing your home's floors, having mastered these techniques makes all the difference. Before we polish, let's explore marble's nature. Marble is a stunning metamorphic rock formed under intense heat and pressure. Each type, the classic Carrara or the dramatic Nero Marquina, demands a unique polishing approach. Polishing marble is a multi-step process. First, we prepare to clean and repair the surface. Next, we grind away imperfections, hone for a smooth finish, and finally, polish to a glossy perfection. Tools matter. From diamond pads to buffing machines, the right equipment is key. But it's not just about the tools, it's the technique. Precision grinding, artful honing, and consistent polishing create that flawless, mirror-like finish. Once polished, a sealant is applied to protect your marble from stains and spills. And remember, regular care keeps that shine lasting for years. Avoid harsh chemicals and keep up with routine maintenance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or considering professional help, understanding the art of marble polishing ensures your surfaces stay beautiful and timeless. Thanks for watching. Keep polishing your world to perfection.